DJT stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Now, biggest thing here is that it's actually a bearish bias. I'm not saying this just because, you know, I have ill intentions towards DJT. It's just that that's how the price is moving. I have done well over 48,000 videos on my YouTube channel, you know, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. This is obviously like not me telling you, please go ahead and sell. No, it's just that if the price goes up and gives me rules, I'm looking to take it further down, not in a way where I'm randomly going to start selling. You know what I mean? So all I'm further doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. And therefore, I mean, I do have a lot of receipts in the Discord before. It's not a lot, it's a decent amount, but that's where we currently are with DJT. So let me know what is your opinion on it. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, then just click the first link in the description. And of course, I will continue to keep you updated. So that's all. Nothing more to add here. Goodbye.